Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. This is 5 years. This marks 5 years of doing this series. I truly cannot believe that, but this is the last day of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I can't really believe that I am stopping this, but I am just really excited to try something else out on my channel and, change it up a bit. And the product that I chose to try out for my last ever daily review is from ColourPop. It's the Bambi Twitter Padded Luxe Gloss Trio. I figured I would choose one of my favorite types of products to try out, which is a lip product and just something very fun. And this looks fun. I mean, there's purple glitter in here. It's just the type of product that I love to play around with. And that's one of my favorite parts about this series, was just getting to play with makeup, sometimes going out of my comfort zone. And the things that I'm really taking away from this series are things that I'm not going to want to stop with my YouTube channel. I still want to play around with makeup and go out of my comfort zone. So if you have any ideas or videos that you would like to see here on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below. But okay, let's get into this here. So ColourPop is cruelty-free and really known for so many adorable collections with different licenses. And I actually got this as part of a ColourPop mystery box, which was so fun. I definitely want to get more ColourPop mystery boxes. I think those would be fun unboxings and try-on videos for my channel. But okay, ooh, wow. Good size lip glosses in here. I'm going to start out with some swatches. Oh, this is so cute. So this is called Thumper. It's the shade Thumper, and it looks like a light pink glitter. Ooh, it has a nice doe foot applicator. Nice big one. Oh yeah, this is just like a sheer. My gosh. This smells so good. It smells like a real dessert, almost like, if I had to guess, like a lemon square, like a delicious lemony dessert. Wow, I feel like that's such a unique smell for a lip product and I love it. Next, this is Flower, the skunk from the movie Bambi. And this is the purple glitter. Let's see if it actually looks purple. Not really, but it does have more of the holographic type glitter in it. Let's see if it smells. Yeah, it has that same like fruity dessert, delicious smell. And then the third one, I'm sure you could guess, is called Bambi. This one, let's see, maybe a little darker of a pink. I wonder if it'll also be sheer though. Yeah, I'd say pretty sheer. So all just kind of like sheer glosses with glitter. So here are those swatches. I know a little bit hard to see. And so I really think that the last product that I try out in this series should be a purple glittery lip gloss. Just so fun, so kind of out of my comfort zone, even though this is pretty sheer. But I'm sad that I'm not going to be doing this every day, but doesn't mean that I'm not still going to have fun making videos and posting and getting to interact with you all, so I shouldn't get too upset. But okay, let's see how this is on my lips. My lips definitely need some hydration. Let's see how this does. Ooh, such a nice texture. As I'm rubbing my lips together, it's so thick and like slippy and slick and feels so smooth on my lips. Yeah, it already immediately moisturized my lips. My lips are not the least bit dry anymore. They are looking smoothed out. Ooh, I love how much hydration I'm getting from this. And at first, I was thinking that this looked like one of those stringy lip glosses, but as I'm rubbing my lips together a little more, it's stopping that stringing from happening. I think I probably just, of course, went in with a lot at first. But this is a really nice lip gloss formula because it's so comfortable, gives such a smoothing layer on the lips and a look to the lips. Like it kind of has almost like a visually plumping effect because it's very shiny, smoothing. And I was thinking, like, especially this purple glitter might look a little bit too glittery for me to wear just casually and easily, but this actually looks beautiful on the lips and is so wearable. Someone looking at my lips, even like pretty up close, like in the mirror here, it's hard to actually notice the glitter because it's very small, little tiny shimmer glitter, and there's very high shine to this gloss, which I love. So it's kind of hiding the glitter a bit. So this is actually really beautiful. I'm so glad I have 3 of these because this is absolutely a go-to throw on anytime lip gloss that looks so good on the lips. I am so relieved right now that the product that I'm ending on is a product that I'm so happy with because after 5 years of trying a new makeup product every day, I am so picky. That is one of the major takeaways for me from this series, is learning exactly what I want to look for in all different makeup products and being able to tell right away if it is a product that I'm going to like. And this I am so happy with. The ColourPop Luxe Gloss comes in so many colors and it's a super popular, hyped up product, and I understand why. I don't even want to end this video right now because it just feels like such a huge ending, like a huge moment right now, but I just have to remind myself that it does not have to be such a big deal, but it is really wild to me right now. But I guess I'm ready to end this video and this series. So like I always say, thank you so much for watching this video and for watching any of my videos in this series. Seriously, wow. But I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you soon in my next video.